Hey there, I'm Mike, and today I'm going to show you how to replace your length encoder on a V60F V1. The only tools you're going to need are a Phillips head screwdriver and a small flat blade screwdriver. The steps in this video will help you if your Elliott model is a V60F V1. But before we get started, make sure you read, understand, and obey the manufacturer's instructions and safety rules, your employer's safety rules and worksite regulations, and all applicable governmental regulations. You also ought to make sure you have the appropriate tools, lifting equipment, and a suitable workshop. The overall condition of the equipment, maintenance, and inspection procedures are just as important as safe operating procedures and a positive attitude towards safety. All these procedures properly applied will significantly reduce the likelihood of an accident or equipment failure. Finally, feel free to pause the video at any time to make sure you're doing each step safely and correctly. All right, first use your Phillips head screwdriver to loosen the screws on the side of the encoder housing. Then go ahead and remove the cover. Next, use your small flat blade screwdriver and set the rotary switch high to bit set 3. Then set the rotary switch low to bit set E. From there, keep using your small flat blade screwdriver to set dip switches to 1 off, 2 on, 3 off, 4 on, and 5 off. Go ahead and reinstall the cover on the length encoder and then install the length encoder. Stop here and make sure the length encoder cable is retracted back into the rubber stop. Next, turn the crane power on and then press the small black button on the side of the encoder housing with the word set next to it. Then turn power off to the crane and hook the length encoder cable to the boom. Finally, turn the crane power on. All right, now that you've replaced the length encoder, check out the zeroing length encoder on your V60F V1 video to get up and running. If you need more help, don't hesitate to reach out to one of our service techs at 531-772-0829, and make sure you check out our other technical support videos at elliotequip.com.